what tool would you use here?
It's the wire cutters. Where do those go? There we go.
Yeah. So look on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
This will tell you your gauge or width in millimeters. What's the trick of just taking the plastic sleeve off?
Putting it through here.
What don't you want to do?
Cut the cord, but
The wires.
yeah, the wires.
So you just want enough to take off that, take some of that plastic
I know I'm not.
coating off. Yeah, one of the best ways is put it in and then try and yank on it a little bit. If it doesn't move, then you got a good little grip. Don't pull it straight out, you kind of pull it at an angle. So when you do it, try and go fast and pull it to the side. No, pull
I
the
know.
wire, not the plastic. Let's see.
Yep.
Oh yeah, good job. That's good.
Yay.
Usually on, look,
Oh.
wait. It's working, but let me show you something. On one wire, usually is clear, yeah?
Yeah.
And then the other wire will have like a white line on it or black sometimes. Just to give you an idea, that's those wires are running, how they were running before they like broke or something, right? So kind of look, inspect the wires. Is one totally clear and the other one has like a color on it? Or when you look at the wires, is one silver looking and the other looks like a brass orangey color?
Yeah.
That's another clue.
Yeah, no, that's another. Okay. So here, put that one on and ta-da!
There we go, Mike. Now we just got to figure out how to mold these together.
Okay.
We need the glue gun, so we'll re-glue these back in here.
Yeah.
These that will melt on, we have the heat gun.
See, yeah. It's a good thing. It was just only this one and that one.
Okay. This is going.
Yeah.
So I would just put a little bit of glue at the top and just squish it in.
Okay.
So now we want to grab a sleeve to put on here. Okay. Which one do you think?
It's gotta be these guys.
Let me see. Still too big. Is there a smaller one?
Let's do
Too
small.
small.
Just right.
It's going to be at night. Maybe black. Because you want to...
You want it to blend in.
These are the only ones you want showing color, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so pick them and make them real thin. Because you're going to slip one sleeve on one side. Okay, so now put the sleeves over your connections. Right in the middle. Yeah. Okay, now you need to be careful because this is plastic, right?
Yeah.
Or rubber. But this is what we're gonna heat up to melt. Well, not melt, but like shrink onto here. So you don't want to overheat these, right?
Yeah.
Let's say this line from here to here is your this. Okay. Don't just be a few inches away and do like this on it, so you physically see it shrinking onto the wire. Good luck. See the end is shrinking?
Yeah.
Got a hole. Okay. You see it shrinking?
Yeah, I see that. That's so cool.
Okay, pretty good. Okay, so we got a deal.
Glue that onto these.
Remember, don't pull
I know.
on this too hard because that's a weak point now, even though it's working, right? Glue and then push it in really fast. Yeah. All these things we own can break, right?
Yeah. But
So we just throw everything away and
No.
buy new, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Especially if you plan on like having your own family, like, what do you gotta do?
You gotta fix things.
Keep things
Yeah.
together. So as you get older, you're gonna help with that with the family.
Sherry, I'll put the fridge over it.
Fragile, you be careful, the fragile. I love you. You love me. You don't love me?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do, Daddy. Remember, don't pull.
Yeah.
Gentle.
Oh, oops.
Important. Now make sure these wires are clear. That's what happened last time. Yeah, you're good.
Alright.
Alright. What do you think?
Good.
Good job. Good job.